Seryoso mo yan. Shy siya. Ma'am. Wow.
Hey, will you stop that? Because I can't concentrate. Fix talaga.
Yes.
Pumasok ka dito para document lang.
Of course. Huwag kayo maingay.
I would like to thank all my sponsor.
Mami.
Hello.
Yes.
And
Where is Edna?
Yes.
Hello.
Ow. The sisters. Okay, pwede rin baby toys. Oh, Roxy. Mihinga ka pa ba? Ay po, huwag po tayo masyado sila.
Yeah, you're not practicing now.
I'm great.
so hard, no?
So hard, Mitch? Nice. Sinisira na po ni Mitch.
Ayos. Okay. Na, 8. Oh my
Josie, huwag masyadong seryosohin, Josie.
Tukon, typing.
3 words per minute.
Tama ba yung pinagtatatype mo dyan?
Woo! 8 words per minute.
Seashore.
In the seashore?
Seashore in the seashore. I have tape.